Well, welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export and import all contacts in Bitrix24. This is incredibly useful when you're migrating data between systems, creating backups, or simply organizing your customer information more efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Bitrix24.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your Bitrix24 account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as this will give you access to all the CRM features you need for managing your contacts. After logging in, look over to the left sidebar and click on CRM. This is your central hub for all customer relationship management activities within Bitrix24. The CRM section houses everything from leads to deals, but today we're focusing specifically on your contacts. Now, at the upper left of the page, you'll see an option labeled Customers. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Contact. This will take you to your full contact list where all your customer information is stored and organized. Next, we're going to export your contacts. Look for the gear icon at the upper right of the page. This settings icon is your gateway to various management options. Click on it, and you'll see several export choices appear. You can select Export to CSV, Export to Excel, or Export to Outlook, depending on which format works best for your needs. Each format has its advantages, so choose the one that's most compatible with where you're moving your data. After selecting your preferred export format, a new window will pop up asking you to choose which fields you want to export. This is important because it lets you customize exactly what information gets included in your file. You might want names and email addresses, or perhaps phone numbers and company details as well. Check the boxes next to the fields you need, and once you're satisfied with your selection, click Run. The system will now process your request and generate the export file. This might take a moment depending on how many contacts you have, so be patient while Bitrix24 prepares your data. Now, when it comes to importing contacts into Bitrix24, the process is just as straightforward. Look again for that same gear icon at the upper right of the page. This time, click on Import Custom CSV. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears with several options including Custom, Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, and Yahoo Mail. Choose the source that matches where your contacts are coming from. This helps Bitrix24 properly format and map your data. After selecting your import source, you'll be prompted to provide the necessary information. This typically includes uploading your file and mapping the fields, so Bitrix24 knows which columns correspond to names, emails, phone numbers, and other contact details. Take your time to ensure everything is correctly aligned. Once you've filled in all the required information and double-checked your settings, click Next to proceed with the import. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to both export and import contacts in Bitrix24, giving you full control over your customer data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.